Anil Patel. He's a resident of Ahmedabad. He lost his only family member, his only son, and daughter-in-law in the crash. The daughter, he said, had survived a miscarriage and had come home with her husband, his son, to see the father here in Ahmedabad, and they were returning back home after the daughter-in-law had regained in health, and he had already lost his wife a couple of years back. So the only family he had was his only son. Now he's been here since afternoon, waiting to see the face or whatever remains of his only child and only family.
ढूंढ रहे हैं सब जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं।
ये दोनों मलबे में आपका
माँ है और भतीजी है।
खाना बनाती थी We just heard a family member of a cook of BJ Medical College who was there in the kitchen while the incident happened, while the top portion of the plane crashed into the mess, completely destroying the whole dining hall and the kitchen area. But she is still looking for her mother, because her mother is one of the people whose body haven't yet been retrieved from the debris. भतीजा
और उनकी
भतीजा और उनकी
मेरे भाई का पुत्र।
अच्छा, वो लंदन में ही रहते हैं।
लंदन मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आए हुए थे, मतलब वापस जा रहे
और DNA
अभी 72 आवर्स वेट करेंगे, कोई अपडेट नहीं है।
कोई अपडेट नहीं आपसे? किसी ने बात की?
नहीं, कोई कम्युनिकेशन।
ये वहाँ पे रहते हैं,
वहीं पे ही रह रहे हैं।
चाय की कितली भी है,
चाय की कितनी भी और अब वहीं के रहने वाले हैं, मेघानी नगर में। तो उस दिन आप नहीं थे घर पे?
तो मैं नहीं था।
अच्छा, आपका
दीदी चाय की कितली पी थी और लड़का टिफिन देने गया था।
जब ये हादसा हुआ
सब तब दीदी से तो रोटी खा रही थी, बच्चा चाय पाई पर सो रहा, तो जैसे मन का स्पोर्ट हुआ, ऐसे बच्चे पे आके वही काटमाल उसके ऊपर आके गिरा।
plane ka patra. We spoke to Suresh Bhai. His son, 15-year-old son, is one of the casualties, collateral casualties of the plane crash that plummeted into the Meghani Nagar area, a highly populated area. It's an urban slum in the western part of Ahmedabad. His son was at home, had gone home at the moment, trying to bring lunch back for his father, who runs a tea stall near his house in Meghani Nagar. The wife was back at home when the plane crashed and a whole wing fell on his son. The wife tried to save her son and got engulfed in the flame herself. She, according to Suresh Bhai, she is more than 50% burnt and admitted in the burnt ward of civil hospital right now. He is waiting here for his son, for the body of his son, as well as any for his and hoping that his wife would get out of this and will get better out of this. Meanwhile, he also waits to tell his wife that their only son is no more. The wife still does not know that the son is no more.